So today we'll be talking about Smilecoin, quick overview, and then where you can buy and how you can stake on YLDY to earn some either additional Smilecoin or stake your YLDY to earn Smilecoin. So today the markets are actually moving up. YLDY price we can see here on Coinbase just passed 0.17, which is awesome. You can see that huge upswing today. This is a weekly scale. Just keep that in mind. So hopefully we've got big things coming. I know that as we get closer to the end of the month, we've got a big updates coming on the Algorand system. Hopefully YLDY will be involved in that. Back to Smilecoin. So what is Smilecoin? Where can you buy it? What's their objective? Smilecoin is powerful crypto technology. Seamlessly allows users to transact and predict with prediction and gaming platforms on a single currency. I'm not going to get much into the prediction information right now. I don't think much of that is out, but the coin is out, available, and they've announced on KryptoNurd last week. Check out his YouTube channel. I'll list that in the comments below. They had a great interview with him last week. They've got some big things coming up this week. I believe they said they were going to be announcing new to their network and some new functionalities. So let's get into exactly what they're doing on their website. So unlock prediction markets. Again, I'm not going to get into that right now because I don't think they've launched much of it. You can harvest Smilecoin on Grin Gaming. Grin Gaming is a gaming platform, betting platform that they've partnered with as their first venture, and probably their test market there as well. Powering the first ever personal gaming ledger. So the big objective for Smilecoin is to be able to use the same currency on different gaming platforms and also betting platforms. Their specific goal in the KryptoNurd interview was to help bank gray industries. So industries that sit on that level of, yes, it's legal, but do banks want to participate in it? And I think that's a huge market out there. You know, Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. I mean, they got a bad name for being in the dark markets, in the dark pools, in the dark web. Now, you know, Smilecoin is looking at, hey, we've got this gray market as well that is difficult for them to bank. It's difficult for them to transact, and that's what we're going to try to serve. Additionally, having that ease of use of going from one platform to a next and having a full ledger of your accounts and seeing how much Smilecoin you have on one game versus how much Smilecoin you have on a betting platform, and seeing how those things are helping you earn more money, or how you're spending your money is going to be a huge benefit. That's some of the things that they're working on. The key to your gaming future. So I'm not sure if you ever used much many gaming platforms out there or betting platforms out there, having to connect your bank account directly to those different applications. It can be a cumbersome process and a little bit risky. Now, what if you could just load in some Smilecoin and have the single Smilecoin point of access, and then not have to expose your whole banking credentials to each one of those platforms, only your Smilecoin. So it limits risk there and also facilitates speedier transactions because of the Algorand network. Currency that funds fun. Doesn't that sound good? So that's what they're specifically targeting now, but I can see, and I believe they can too, so many different applications for them once they get going. But I'm glad that they're focusing on a specific industry to help service, because that'll only lead into additional services as they move forward. It's going to be very simple for people to start using some type of ASA. I hope it's not Smilecoin. I think it's a great way to start here. So let's look a little about what they're talking as they launch. They launched back in August, and this is their blog post from August. Smilecoin's on a mission to decentralize gaming activity by enabling users to view, manage, and track their gaming activity in an open public infrastructure. The blockchain-based network will create a decentralized platform for gamers to manage and control their gaming data and leverage AI tools to optimize performance. Their offerings will also include streamlined financing for gaming companies and alternatives for payment processing. So if you are one of the independent gaming developers, reach out to them. I know they've got a program going, a hosting program, and in tandem with the Smilecoin network program that they've got going. They're going to be launching a bunch of APIs and programmer packages allowing you to develop within their system, and not just in the Smilecoin system, but they're going to be hosting games as well. Algorand, it's awesome. Every time that I like to see Algorand. They did start, I believe, with Ethereum. Began developing its application on Ethereum, but ran into challenges scaling in order to meet the needs of a massive gaming industry. The Smilecoin team elected to migrate to its project to Algorand in order to provide users with a faster, more cost-effective, and fully decentralized platform. Algorand has seen an increase in DeFi teams leveraging its high-performing network that also has a simple deployment model with the Algorand virtual machine, and some huge updates coming with Teal 4 on Algorand. I'm looking forward to the next 6 months of development on Algorand. I think there'll be a lot of big announcements as well as big developments and actual use cases for the Algorand network, different ASAs and things. So this is a blog post. This is on algorand.com, and it's about Smilecoin. So check that out if you want to read any further. Smilecoin is listed on MECX. You can see they've been trading on MECX since September 20th. So not only a couple months here, almost month and a half. And right now sitting at a price of 0.006. And it did run up way on the October the 17th. It ran way up to 7.5 cents. So there's expected volatility there. Hopefully we'll see a turnaround and move back up as everything else does. As we know, YLDY's moved up today, as well as Bitcoin and ETH and Algorand's moving over too, I think, today as well. So how do you stake? How do you stake on YLDY to get Smilecoin? Or if you want to, you can purchase some on MECX or swap on TinyMan. But today we're going to look at staking YLDY for Smile. Right here, sitting at 28.2%. Not real good APY, but you know what? If this is where you want to be, this is what you can do without giving up your YLDY. You can earn some Smile. So I'm going to stake some here. We're going to opt in. So I haven't staked any in this wallet yet. For Smile, I don't own any Smile in this wallet, so I have to opt in. I do have enough available. I do believe it's somewhere around 3 to 6 ALGO that you have to have available. So make sure that you have ALGO available to do that, as well as YLDY to do that. Continue. Enter in password. And as I'm thinking here, I don't think I have any YLDY, so we'll need to go into TinyMan and do a quick swap over there as well. So let's do that. Go to app. tinyman.org. We're going to swap for YLDY. and I'll swap 10 algos, and we'll get 1134 approximately. Floor amount of 1128. So I'll take that. I mean, I'm not worried with this wallet about yields. If you want to have that discussion, please have it in the comments, and I'll comment in there as well. But for these swaps, they're just training. I'm not trying to wait on the best price or anything like that. I just want to get it done. So confirm swap. Swap fee is 0.03 algo. Price impact is 0.3%, a third of a percent, and you have slippage tolerance there of 0.5%. So let's do this. And we're going to connect here on TinyMan, and here we go. Let's see what we end up with. Hopefully above 1130. All right, 1134. We got some here. We've got some additional tokens you can claim. Some excess YLDY. So I'll go ahead and redeem those as well. Good deal. And you notice how quick this is. The YLDY is already in my wallet. The additional YLDY is on the way now as I hit redeem. And we'll go back to the swap, and we're done. Go back into YLDY, opt into the asset. Awesome. All right. We are opted into the Smilecoin asset. We also went over the TinyMan and swapped from Algorand for some YLDY. And there we are. We're ready to go. So now we can hit stake, and we can stake as much as we want. Oh, you know what I do? I need to hit refresh. I need to refresh on this page because the wallet connection has not refreshed. And that could be something that you see if you're doing transactions at the same time on the TinyMan and coming back. Your YLDY is not a quick refresh, so it's you got to do it yourself. You got to do either refresh the page or come on here and hit balance, and that will pull. I guess I could have done that as well, but that's a new feature as of just a couple weeks ago, so I hadn't really used it. You hit balance, it gives you a new your new wallet amounts, and then it can call on the correct thing. So we'll do it again, trying to stake YLDY for Smile. I'm going to stake all of the YLDY that I have, which is 1140, and then hit next. And again, we got a transfer asset and the YLDY from my wallet to the staking wallet, and then the application call. And then we'll go in and put the password once again. And shouldn't take but just a few seconds, and there we go. So we are currently staking 1,140.631 YLDY for Smilecoin. I'll check back later when I get some rewards. I'll come back and claim and show you how that works. Everyone have a great day. Thanks for listening here on Algorand, and we'll talk to you later.